Key elements of a customer sales order. Customer information. This includes the buyer's name, address, contact details and billing shipping address. Order number. A unique identifier assigned to the order for tracking purposes. Product or service details. A clear description of the items being sold, including product codes, description and any specifications. Quantity. The number of units of each item being purchased. Price. The agreed upon price per unit and the total cost of the order, including any applicable discounts or taxes. Delivery details. Information on how and when the goods or services will be delivered, including shipping method and estimated delivery date. Payment terms. The agreed terms for payment, which could include due dates, payment methods, and any installment agreements. Special instructions. Any additional details specific to the order, such as packaging requirements, handling instructions, or customizations. Terms and conditions. Legal conditions governing the sale, such as written policies, warranties, or liability limitations.